so if you guys really keep your eyes open, you can see the river on this line. So it is pretty hard to see. It's kind of that way. And I'll point it out like right whenever I get to it on the line, because it is about 3/4 or 4/5 the way through the line. But if you guys miss it, it's completely fine. The best view of the river is on the line after this. So, alright, and then if you guys just watch me whenever I get most of the way down there, I'll kind of point out where it is on the line.
Okay.
No speaker. No speaker. Bye. Bye. Step on up for me. Line clear. All right, you're good to go.
No, you go.
All right, pick your feet up.
Okay.
Bye. And just stand up and just walk right to the top here. Line clear.
Not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, a lot of people are always
Way better.
super nervous, and and I just have to explain. I'm like, it's nothing crazy like a roller coaster. It's just kind of, you pick up speed and then you slow down as you're coming in, and of course that is coming from me.
You do it multiple times a day, right?
And go ahead and stand up and just walk right to the top here.
You like it?
And let's see if we can bounce him. There you go. I still think the first one of the day was the best. Oh yeah, that was the best.
How many times have you guys did this today?
3 times. Yeah, this is our third.